Hey you guys, I'm currently in the car right now. That's why it looks like this. But as you can see from the title, I am about to be going apartment hunting for my luxury apartment. And you guys are gonna come along with me, so I'm excited. And you guys should be excited too. So yeah, let's get going. I'll see you once I get inside the first apartment. I think I'm gonna go to about maybe 3 to 4 apartments today, but stay tuned and I'll see you guys in a minute.
Yeah, so
I came in from the mall.
Coming in the first floor of the building, we will eventually have commercial space rented as restaurants, which are 2 spaces here. So that's the smaller side, and then this is the bigger side.
So it'll be 2 restaurants.
It'll be 2 restaurants.
Oh, cool.
Eventually, so they're currently seeking businesses to come.
Oh, okay.
So and stuff like that, we have a roll-off dumpster right there. Oh, there's also out here, if you have an electric car, we have car chargers.
Wow.
If you have, well,
I want one now.
I know, right? But they have the chargers over here. We also have bike storage, so you can store your bikes there.
Okay.
And then the other elevator's right there.
All right.
And then we'll go back through this way. And then moving in, or this actually, it's a little test spot area. It's like a little car wash. So you can put coins in there, or you can stop up in the office and we can get you coins. We have a coin that is $5 and it gives you 20 minutes, but it has all the shampoos and everything you need.
You don't need to bring anything down.
Nothing at all.
Cool, this is nice. This is really nice.
And then the mailroom here. So they added all these things in after the building. This used to be, this space below used to be where Garda was, which was the largest bank trading vault area in all of the East Coast. So they used to, there's actually bank vaults behind us here. That is where they used to shred all the money from the banks.
Wow.
This is the old bank lobby. This is all resident amenity space also. So when we walk around, it goes in a big circle. So we'll go to the left and we'll go to all the way around. These are little seating groups. And then over here we have 2 pool tables. And that's Zena. She's one of our housekeepers.
Hi.
So over here, this is where the tellers used to be. So this is our coffee bar area. There's a coffee machine down there that's open 24 hours. All the amenity space is 24-hour access.
Oh, okay.
So, and then behind me right here, this is a 9-foot by 13-foot digital wall. You can actually show one show, or if you want to do sports on the weekend, you can actually do 4 screens on there. Oh, wow. All the controls are right up there where it says the time. It's just a touchpad for the controls.
Okay. Do you have to like rent this out?
This is all free to the residents.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then you have recliners right here. And then that's the coffee bar I was talking about. And then you can see that's the old depository for the bank. That's where you'd go fill out your deposit slips and then come up here. This is one of the greeter area for the bank. They turned this into a dual chef kitchen. We actually do cooking classes once a month. It's more of a demonstration. I know, right? So we have a resident that's a chef at one of the local restaurants, and he actually does the class. We didn't do one in December just because of all the holidays and stuff, but for November he did side dishes for Thanksgiving. So he did 4 different demonstrations to teach people how to make them, and then everyone got to eat it.
Oh.
And that's the parking garage I was telling you about.
Okay.
For the building.
So this is where
room, so it doesn't get any warmer than 67 degrees.
Wow. Cool.
You smell the cedar.
Yeah. This is nice.
And then I'm gonna look at a little bit more down here, and then I'm gonna take you upstairs. This is where the executives to the bank and the security used to sit. That is now our fitness center. So we have 3,000 square feet of fitness up there, which I'll show you.
You don't even need to get a gym membership.
Anyway, big vault. This is now a screening lounge. So we have some full packages on all the TVs. So you have the sports package, all movie channels, all of that. So you can watch whatever you want, whenever you want.
Oh, cool.
And then we also have DVD players and stuff like that. So if you wanted to bring your own disc, you can do that too. And then we'll go through this way. I'll take you to the ladies' side.
Okay.
But this is a relaxation area. If you're waiting for someone to finish up in the massage table, or if you just want to hang out down here, you can. But we have the water and the music and stuff just to relax, read a book. And then right here, this is the women's hydro massage table. So what that is it's actually water, and it's infused with air. So it'll do a full body massage, or it'll actually pinpoint certain parts of your body. You can control it all on the screen right there.
Okay, and this is all free.
It's all free.
Wow.
And then this right here, this is the women's locker room. We have a steam shower right here. So in place of saunas, they're starting to switch over to steam showers because it is a wet steam versus a dry steam. Wet steam is actually healthier for you than dry steam.
Okay.
And then we'll take the stairs up and we'll see if it's
Okay.
this way. So on this section, this is where all the weights are, and then all the cardio is on the left side. All of our, we have the machines and we have a lot of free weights.
Yeah.
Nothing's restricted except for a couple of machines, which you'll see over here.
Okay.
And everything else is free. And then we have the ellipticals, we have a Jacob's ladder, we have a stepper, and then the treadmill. This right here is Fitness on Demand, which is simulated classes. You can do P90X, Insanity, Yoga, Zumba, whatever you want. So it's all simulated. They also, this floor in here is a cork floor. So if you are doing yoga, it's actually better on your joints.
Oh yeah.
Because it
Kind of feel it.
Yeah. And then over this way, we have a spin studio, which is Peloton bikes. We have the memberships on all 4 bikes, so you can actually do the spin classes, which is simulated, but it's in real time simulated. So you have to have an instructor. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it.
Yeah, I've seen a review on YouTube of it.
So it's really cool. Restroom, and then this is a smaller vault. They did a stand-up tanning bed in there.
Oh wow, cool.
So these are our lobbies, which you're seeing right now. We do have a guest suite. It's rented out right now, but if you had guests that came over and you didn't want them to stay with you, you can rent out the guest suite.
Oh, wow. So you just have one?
We just have one for now.
Okay.
If we see a need for more, we will add more.
Okay.
But right now we have one. So this is going to be our Monroe floor plan, which we have a couple different floor plans that you probably saw online. The Ellington is almost identical to this floor plan, except for with the Ellington, this door is not here, and this wall is not here. So with the Ellington 2-bedroom, it's actually the biggest 2-bedroom we have, which is 1,200 square feet. That one, this is all 1 bedroom.
Oh,
the same
okay.
bathroom.
Okay.
That's the only difference between that one. And then we have the Kennedy floor plan, which is more equal space on both sides. It's the same, both bedrooms are the same size. One bathroom has a stand-up shower, the other one has a tub like this. That's the only difference.
Okay.
And then we have another floor plan on the corner, which is very similar to this one again, except it's more, it's about 110 square feet smaller, and it's still 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
Okay, and there are no like balconies, patios?
No patios
right.
on this building because it was a renovated commercial space.
Okay.
But when you see the rooftop, you'll be fine with that.
Okay.
I promise. So,
Right.
but yeah, take a look.
Nice.
And there's no carpet in the apartments. It's all tile, ceramic tile flooring.
Okay.
And we have 9-foot ceilings, which you can see. Everything's all tile. They went with a shaker style cabinet. All the cabinets, even the kitchens, have a soft close on them. So if you're using that, which is nice.
Yeah. Okay. So,
And then laundry room in all apartments. It comes with a full-size washer and dryer front loader.
okay. So we might have to sell the one we have.
And then this particular floor plan, along with the Ellington floor plan, the appliances are Viking appliance, which is the highest grade you can get. It has a gas cooking, and then we have the Bertazzoni microwave, which is a convection microwave, so you can actually cook, like if you were Thanksgiving, you could do pies and turkey, because it cooks in microwaves. Wow. And then we did the quartz countertop.
I love this. I love it.
And then same thing with the soft clothes and all the cabinets. I did two-tone, so you get the gray and the white.
I like it.
Built-in trash container there.
Okay. And
then we have, like I said, the Viking appliances. Want a snack?
Sure.
Absolutely.
I'll take.
But then coming through, this is the master side. So this master bedroom has a custom closet.
Oh, the other one wasn't the master.
No, no.
Wow.
The custom closet would be in the Ellington and it would be in the Monroe. It is not in the Kennedy and the Hepburn. No, wait.
Okay.
The one bedroom. What's my corner? It's pop in my head.
Nice.
And then the master bath over there. They did barn style doors.
I like
which you have
that.
the slider there. The shower doors are also barn style too, which are open.
See this all the time when I'm watching HGTV.
You see, yeah, I know. Absolutely.
Oh, this is nice. And the lighting is nice too.
The Hemingway.
So the Hemingway doesn't
have the custom closet.
Okay.
The Hemingway is the corner unit. I had to go through my icons. I don't know if you figured it out, but all our floor plans are named after icons.
Oh, okay. And then there's a little linen closet in here.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yeah. And then this is the
And then we
closet.
do have, they're called hopper windows. These actually open up so you can get fresh air in the apartment. You just can't go outside. So like, if you wanted to.
Yeah.
But even today, you can get a nice breeze.
Mm-hmm. It's cool. Let me see the closet. And then you get a little mirror in here too.
Absolutely. Look at all the shoes.
This is nice. And I have a lot of shoes.
Oh.
This will be great.
This is Megan's dream closet too.
I saw it yesterday.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Yeah.
Now we have a Penthouse apartment, which is our Sinatra floor plan.
Mm-hmm.
They have this, but it's almost triple this size. It's like a bedroom.
Exactly. This is nice.
So let's take a look. So this is how all of them look as far as the finishes and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
The only slight difference is there's a ceiling fan with light there, not the pendant light there.
Mm-hmm.
These are standard in all the apartments. That's the only difference.
Okay.
But everything else is standard.
It's the same. Okay.
And then it comes with they're actually metal blinds, so it gives you a very industrial feel with the urban feel also.
Mm-hmm.
And it gives it that modern touch when they're closed.
Okay. I like this. And this is a closet too?
Yeah, that's a coat closet.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
Good size.
And then I didn't point it out when we were opening them, but all your doors are solid wood doors. This is actually a 9-foot door, which is normal doors are 8 foot. It gives you that elongated feel, so it makes the apartment feel bigger. But they're all solid wood too, which helps with noise.
Yeah.
The other benefit to the building is that it's an old office building. Your floors are 12 inches of solid concrete.
So you're not
So
gonna
you're not gonna hear floor to ceiling. And then when we first started moving in, people said they could hear people through the walls, even though they're double thick. It was because of the glass doors. They went back and retrofitted the entire building with soundproofing, and they put up soundboards on every single wall.
Oh, that's good. Because I remember my last apartment, I could hear the people next door.
No, it's nearly non-existent. You're going to hear noise because that's apartments, but they've done everything that they could to make it as quiet as possible.
Right, and that's all you could ask for.
Yeah, absolutely. So we'll take the other elevator.
Okay.
We'll have to go down. There we go. So you have 2 MacBooks, we have a printer up here, and you have, there's Wi-Fi here too.
Okay.
So if you want to do air print from your mobile device, it'll print to that.
Okay.
And over there. We also have storage on every level. We have rooms, I think. Let's see over here. This one might be a caged room. We have full room storage and then we have caged room storage. Oh, perfect. You can rent cages if you have additional storage. So this would be $25 a month.
Okay.
Pretty spectacular space. This side is our public sky lounge. This can be rented by anybody. And then the other side is the resident sky lounge, which is
nice.
So on here you have a full kitchen. It goes all the way around. And then these glass doors are called nano walls. They actually shuffle open, and you can open up the outside to the inside.
Oh, cool.
And then we can actually, if you want, we can either go outside. I don't think it's raining.
Doesn't look like it.
You want to step out?
Sure.
This pool is a lounge pool.
Oh, this is a pool?
Yep, this is a pool. They didn't do a swimming pool, they did a lounge pool. What this is it gives you that infinity feel. These chairs right here float in the water. So if you put the chair in there, you can be sitting there having a glass of wine, looking over the edge of the building. But when you're sitting there, it makes it feel like it goes on forever.
Yeah.
And then it goes all the way around this way, and then we'll go this way. And that way you can see both lounges. And then we have heaters and misters. The heaters will be where the controls are right there. We're waiting on those to come into the winter. And then we have the fire pits. Again, this is all 24-hour access.
Wow.
I should have let you bring your coat.
I should have known better.
And then we have grills on both sides too. For cooking.
Oh, wow. This will be great in the summer.
Right there. Oh my gosh, we did.
Okay.
So.
It's cool.
But this is a great space, like you said, when it's nice and warm out to do events and stuff. And we do a lot of events.
Okay. Thank you.
So and then this is the smaller resident lounge side. Now the difference between the two obviously is the size and the fact that this is free. So if you ever want to come up here and have a get together with friends, you can do it for free. On the other side, it costs money. Like if you were to book it, it's $2,500 to rent it for the night.
Okay.
Okay? And then that's...
All right, guys, as you can see from the last apartment, it was amazing. And now we're gonna go to another apartment and hopefully that's amazing as well. Hold on. Focus now. Get on me. Focus on me. But anyways, so, and yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment on this video.
It's Christmas time again. Can't wait to hear those sleigh